型のプラント、ゴミをこれまでにない方法で資源に変える世界初の取り組みとして注目を集めています。現在、留萌市の下水道汚泥の半分がここで処理されています。下水道の汚物を沈殿させた汚泥は、これまで埋め立てるか焼却するしかない悩みの種でした。この施設では汚泥を有機肥料に加工しています。汚泥には肥料に適した有機物が多く含まれます。しかし塩分や微量の重金属、有害な細菌が含まれ、肥料化を難しくしていました。投入された汚泥は水蒸気で細かく分解されます。90分後、汚泥は全く別の物質に変化しました。脱水処理したものは悪臭もほとんどありません。細菌や重金属は取り除かれ、そのまま肥料となります。厄介者の汚泥が資源として生まれ変わったのです。米を入れ、密閉した釜を熱すると、中は10気圧ほどの高圧になります。その圧力を一気に下げると、米の組織は壊れ膨らみます。高瀬さんはこうした仕組みを応用しました。汚泥を投入した後、プラントには高温の水蒸気が送り込まれ、中はおよそ200度、20気圧になります。ここで一気に圧力を抜き、汚泥を分解してしまうのです。重金属や塩分は水蒸気と一緒に取り除かれ、細菌も高温のために死滅します。燃やすのとは違い、二酸化炭素は発生しません。また使うエネルギーも焼却処分に比べ少なくなります。高瀬さんたちは今、このシステムを使い、さまざまなものを資源として利用したいと考えています。パックやトレイに入ったままの生ゴミ、そしてペットボトル。温度や圧力を調節することで、こうしたものも安全に処理することが可能です。これまでの研究で、金属やガラス以外のほとんどのものを同じ方法で処理できることが分かってきました。さらに処理したものの燃料化にも取り組んでいます。
物がパッと上がりますよね。
将来的にはこうして作った燃料でゴミを処理しながら暖房や発電にも。
MSW as well as sludge. This company is no longer in the experimental stage. It is now commercial. And my name is Bill Doble. This is the output of the sludge that's brought into the system. This is what you get in powdered form. This is an amazing technology which we will be bringing into the United States. This is the actual MMCS machine, and this will be in operation momentarily. We'll be able to observe. The footprint on this is extremely small, as you can see from this video. This could be installed in a building of approximately 2,200 square feet, so the footprint is very, very small. This is a close-up of the unit where you have the output, which we will record in a little while. The output falls right out of this cylinder into the bins. This is one of the controls. There are two controlling the system. Here's a crane which is going to be lifting up the garbage that you're looking at into the hopper of the system for processing. We shall be looking at that in a little while also. This is the bottom of the hopper, and the bottom of this hopper will be the extraction, or that is the byproduct. This is the hopper where the feedstock will be fed in, and this is steam output. Okay, and the steam that's pulled out of this system goes and it's used for processing. As you can see now, this is the sludge coming down with water. Goes the sludge out of the system. And this is the process, the termination of the process right now. So sitting out here, you can see that within a 24-hour period, this will be totally dried. This is part of the system being the boiler that produces steam that we saw earlier. As I indicated, the footprint for this entire operation is relatively small. That's if you were going to use an incinerator, it'll take you 10, 15, 20 times the footprint. But of course we all know that incinerators are no longer the way to go. This is the control room. That's all you would need for this. Further showing you the simplicity of the system. This is just another angle of the same room. Supplying all the power required for the entire operation. There again, another angle with the hopper. There are two in this particular site.
Shopping store.
This came from a shopping center. It's all garbage. This will be now put into the system, into the hopper for processing. The output of this will also be sludge.
This should be utilized for fuel.
This will be utilized for fuel. It should be utilized for fuel.
So it should be mixed with coal after treatment.
This should be used with coal. You see the garbage being dumped into the hopper? There goes your garbage. Now, doesn't this make more sense, putting garbage into a hopper to be utilized for fuel, fertilizer, than putting it into the earth? I think that makes sense. Processing. Don't put it into the earth. And of course, there is no pre-treatment for that garbage. It was just put in the hopper. This is the valve of this unit, and this is hooked up, as you can see, to the hopper. Can you believe this piece of equipment is what does it all? And look how clean.
And now steam is coming. You hear the sound of steam is coming.
Okay, now the steam is coming. Look at this piece of equipment. So all that's required to process 200 tons a day of New York City garbage, MSW, All we require would be 4 of these. Right now there is 1, and you can see the other one further up. There are 2. So bear in mind, 4 of these units in the same size building will process 200 tons a day of New York City garbage. And look how clean it is. They just wipe the floor down with water. And that is the hopper where it is put into. This unit can also be designed where the hopper will be at ground level. Everything will be below the ground at the tipping floor, so it's just garbage or the MSW as it comes in, it will be leveled with this particular hopper and be working below ground.
The steam extracted from the vessel comes from this condenser to become water, and the released heat will be utilized here for melting snow in the winter season. This is the usage of the heat. Then the condensed water containing a fertilizer element will be supplied into the vessel again. So there is no water, exhaust water from that plant to burn out.
And as we're all standing out here, there is no odor at all. We are now preparing for the sludge output.
Not sludge.
I stand to be corrected. This is the output of the mixed garbage. This is not sludge, just the output of the garbage that you saw previously put into the hopper. It's an amazing technology. This was all the garbage you saw previously. Just think about it. Just think about it. This is not going to a landfill. And the batch that you saw going in only took 30 minutes for processing, and this is what you have. You must agree that this is truly amazing. And as I indicated earlier, this is taking place in Romoi, Japan.